Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. So I went out to the store. Didn't pick up much. I went to Kroger and I stopped at the Dollar General because I remember I had needed something. So I got me some little spirits. Just these little Seagrams to make me happy. The dollar store, I got some alcohol, 2 of those, and I got some peroxide and eggs. All I got from the dollar store. Kroger, I got some vinegar because I'm doing chitlins. The canola oil was 2 for $5. I got that. I got some milk. I got cabbage. Hellman's, $2.79 this week. I got this for $1.49, the 1,000 Island cans, and the honey mustard. Very, very good. I got the Bertolli tomato and basil because it's going to make me some chicken parmesan one day real soon. Every year for New Year's Eve and Super Bowl Sunday, I do finger food. So I got these little things. My daughter told me these were good. The homestyle meatballs, flame broiled at Kroger, they're 2 for $4. So I got those. 1 onion because I know I had some. Ritz crackers. The bacon bits from Kroger, and I got some Lay's and some Tostitos because I probably do like just a very, very small rotel, probably without even meat, just the rotel and some Velveeta that I had already opened. That's it. Just want to come on and show y'all what I bought. My last shopping for 2020. Happy New Year. Wishing you all peace, blessings, prosperity, and health in 2021. Much love. Happy New Year. So I had to go out to the store and stock up. I did find my bath towels and my paper towels at Sam's this time. That's why I try to go early when the store first opens. Went to Walmart too. I got my son too. When I find little t-shirts, $1 or $2, I go ahead and get them. Here, man, you can take these. And he just sleep in them. Or he wear a t-shirt every day on his clothes. If he wears something on those clothes, he can just put it on. At Sam's also, I got this Heinz Ketchup. It was 7 something. But you know, this in the store could be as much as $4 because this is this is a 44-ounce thing and you get 3 of them for that price. So it's just best to get them like this. I still relax my hair. I used to love the TCB products. I found the TCB Naturals. Didn't see any of the care products, so I'll look for those at a beauty supply store here. I got some Lotta Body. I hadn't used Lotta Body in a while, but that used to be my go-to. I've been using the Paul Mitchell, but that glaze, once your hair sets, it's hard to comb through it. I like to comb through it, so I think I may have to dilute this because it's a mousse. It'll do that too. So I'm going to have to dilute it. I also got some Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. If you'll see, sometimes my hair looks frizzy. Some feminine products, some feminine wash. I got me some Jiffy cornbread mix. I'm making chicken parmesans. I got some Parmesan cheese along with some plain breadcrumbs just because I didn't want to overpower with the Parmesan cheese. I put my own little seasoning in my breadcrumb, but I didn't want the one that had the Parmesan cheese in the breadcrumbs because I'll use it for something other than this. Pro Enamel. I got 2 of those. I got some Cetaphil for my face. I got my son some S-Curl. This really, he doesn't have an S-Curl or anything, but this makes his curls pop. This, along with some of the Eco Styling Gel, because he leaves some hair in the top, and it looks really nice. I got this black Sally Hansen nails, and I also got the Extreme because I want to do my own nails. I'm just not comfortable sitting in a beauty shop. I mean, in a nail salon right now. I'm just not. I got me some Masai blenders. It's got the kale, strawberry, apple, and blueberry. I don't care for banana in my smoothies, and that's why I got this one. And it's 4 individual things in here. And I'm going to also add some spinach. I'm going to do half grape juice and half water. It say water, but I like a little juice flavor in mine, just a little. I got 2 packages of blackberries. Got a little... I don't know, y'all, maybe because I was hungry, but I was trying to figure out because I had dessert every Sunday, so I got the chocolate chip Nestle Toll House, and I got a lot of Toll House chips in there, but I didn't want to have to make none. I got my son some Crunch Bars, because, y'all, to me, ice cream tastes better in the winter. Am I the only one that's like that? And then because I'm not cooking today, I got the key lime pie. Not bacon, I got the key lime pie. Caress soap. This was 9 something at Sam's, and there's 14 of them. I can't remember if this broke me out or not. I hope it did. They haven't had the gold dial. They have not had it. The Healthy Hands. This is what I get to go in my soap dispensers in my restrooms. I use this, and I got some lettuce and tomato because I'm making chicken parmesan, and then I'm gonna make just use the spaghetti sauce and fix some spaghetti with it and a green salad. All right, y'all. It's a new year. Time for new beginnings, and I want to share something, and I'll do it a little later, but I want to share something that I received for New Year's I thought was really, really sweet that one of my family members sent me. But I want to say Happy New Year. And my only resolution is just to have a closer walk with the Lord. So y'all, be blessed. Much love. Bye.